Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. Don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is the goodbye autumn and hello festive season, so I hope you guys enjoy.
Open up the window, I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. Since I was a little child, every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. A smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. I wonder where they're going. Playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. The autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. Through the last days of September.
So guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, give it a like, comment and subscribe. That is the autumn done for 2025, ready for another year. And now I can't wait because it's the festive season and gonna get ready for the Christmas season and cannot wait. So you've got loads of festive videos coming up really soon.